guys, today we have an unboxing and I'm gonna go grab the box right now. It's a pretty big ass box. Hold on a minute. That's the Ehang Ghost Drone 2.0 and it's still in the package. I haven't opened it yet, so this is going to be a cold unboxing. So I'm going to put the cuts in there so you don't have to see all the little crap. There it is right there. Here's the seal on here still. The box is pretty big. There's that thing there. Don't eat that. There's what it looks like inside the box. Now, normally, under any circumstances, I most likely would not have bought this thing. I never had any intention on buying this. Because, you know, I don't like to fly quadcopters without a controller, and this doesn't have a controller. But I just couldn't pass up the price on this thing. It was 99 bucks. Brand new. Okay, so it was just one of them deals that I just couldn't say no to. There's the quadcopter itself. There's the battery right there. It's a 4500 milliamp hour. Then here's the cover for the camera. Alright, that's not easy to get off of there. There you have that wedged down there pretty good. I see there's a little USB port on the side right there. Had this little cover on there. It's like a little plug. And it only goes in one way. I put the plug back in there. I just tightened up the antenna. That was a little bit loose. I guess this is what transmits. I don't know if that's for the goggles or for that box. I'm not sure. The camera is pre-installed, so I don't know if you have to charge it or it runs off of the battery. I'm just not sure. I know there's a micro SD card in here. It's an 8 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra. There. That's the same one they give you with the Phantom 3. There's a micro USB port down here on the gimbal. Right down there. I noticed that. Yeah, don't look too bad. They give you this nice little toolkit with it. There's the toolkit. It has, looks like a plug for the battery charger, micro USB, mini USB plugs, those little pack of those spare dampeners for the gimbal. Give you a pack of screws to hook up the prop guards, so you know that'll just sit in here. I won't use that. Give you this little screwdriver. It's one of them star bit. It's very nice too. It's a 2.0 millimeter. Then they give you this little contraption here. I don't know what that's for either. Pretty nice little toolkit there. It's a nice little touch. You get this, I don't know what. It's a bag. That's most likely your power brick. Okay, it has a USB port on the side. And it has this little sliding door here to where you would stick the battery on there. That'll just push down. You push it down with the battery itself. Like that. So that's not too complicated. Oh. This was the box with the prop guards in it, so I'm just going to put that back in the box. There's the props. They give you 2 full sets. The stuff is packaged very nicely. There's the G-box. Of course, you know how it is with this stuff. You can never get it back in the box. Once you open Pandora's box, which is anything made in China, you're screwed. This is, you know, the instruction manual and all that crap, you know. This tells you all the shit, you know. I'll figure it out. Alright guys, there you have it. Unboxing of the Ehang Low Ghost Drone 2.0. And I will get this thing out and get it up in the air as soon as possible because the weather is crap. It's raining, probably raining the rest of the week, so it is what it is. Nothing you can do about it. Just gotta roll with it. I am gonna take the power brick out and charge up the battery, so at least I can get that done. Alright guys, have a nice day.